What's up, guys? So I just realized that chess.com has bots for the countries that are playing in the World Cup. So we've got Morocco, France, Argentina, and Croatia, and they're all rated 1,000, and you can play against them. So I'm going to play against them, but to make it more interesting, I'm going to play against all four of them at the same time in a timed game and see if I can win without losing on time. So I'm going to play a 5-minute game against all four of these countries at the same time. And I was initially going to try to squeeze all the borders onto the screen at the same time, but then I realized they were pretty tiny. So what I'm going to do instead is jump over to a single board and just tab through the different windows. And so if the board is going to keep changing, but I'm playing them all at the same time, if that makes sense. All right, guys, so it's going to look something like this, and I'm just going to tab between the different windows, and you can see I have the different bots there, and I'm going to reset all the times because I was just playing around with it to make sure that I could get this to work. So we'll start here with Morocco, and I'm going to reset all the times, and then we'll get started. All right, so here we go. Rematch against Morocco, rematch against France, rematch against Argentina, rematch against Croatia. E4, 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 E4. All right, let's play F4. We'll take that. Let's play Bishop C4, Bishop C4. We'll go Knight C3. We'll go Knight C3. Let's play D4. We'll play Gambit. Okay, we're playing the same thing here. Let's play Knight F3. Knight F3 takes. Let's go Knight F3 again. Knight F3 again. I played Knight F3 on every board. That's funny. A6. All right, I guess we'll just go Bishop C4. Sure, Bishop C4. Queen takes. Queen takes. We're playing the same game over here. I guess we'll just go back. Let's castle. King safe. Let's castle. Oh, maybe I actually wasn't supposed to castle. I think I was supposed to play something else. Let's play Knight C3. I think that's a better move. It's okay. We'll figure it out. D4. Let's go back. Let's Knight C3 now. Knight to C6. Okay. Let's swing over to H4. Maybe we can attack the king there. Let's castle. I could take that and then pin the queen. I think I will do that. Is he going to just take it right back? Yeah, let's pin the queen. All right. Let's go Bishop G5. Let's go... Wait, can I actually just take that? Because the queen can't take. If the knight takes, I can trade. Yeah, I think I can just take that. If I'm not mistaken, and then trade here and win the knight back. Okay. Let's defend my center. Okay, gives up the queen. So this game looks pretty good against France. What's happening here? Probably just bring a piece over. Okay, let's see. Should I castle that way? No, we'll play Bishop F4. Maybe I'll actually castle queenside here. Let's go back. All right, let's see. Let's try to get aggressive and play F5. I want to try to take advantage of the fact that Morocco has not castled. Okay, the rook is under attack. I could sacrifice it. I don't know if I get quite enough. Let's just go back. Okay, C5. We'll put the queen over here. This looks like it could be a nice idea to go for some kind of a checkmate. Let's do that. And can I get away with this? Yeah, I can take here. And I'm going to take with my queen. Argentina's in trouble. Let's come back over here. Oh, I can't castle. My bishop's under attack. Let's go back here. I didn't see that. Let's trade here. Trying to get to the king. Okay, this game... There's a free piece. Okay, so they're not... I guess we'll just keep taking stuff. All right, let's castle this way. I don't want to run out of time. Let's go here. So I do need to start thinking about getting checkmate on some of these boards. Let's go here. I think I can take this. Okay. Let's bring this rook over. That looks like we're winning the queen. What are we doing here? Let's bring this bishop out. Okay, we can... How do I do this? I need to trade... Wait, what was I thinking? I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking at all. Anyway, let's keep going. Let's go check. We'll take the queen. Probably can pre-move that one. Let's trade this. Let's trade this just so I can simplify since I'm up a queen. Let's go here. Okay. Feels like there should be some kind of a trick here. I don't know what it is though. Let's go here and trade this. Come on, I'm getting low on time. Let's take this. Let's go here, try to simplify. Probably enough compensation for doing that. Let's go check. Take that. Let's go here. Let's take this. Let's see. What do I do here? I'm running out of time, actually. Okay, there should be like checkmate or something. Let's go here and take the knight to start. Let's move that. I'm in check. Wow. Okay. Can I do this? Can I go? Let's go here. Let's go here. I'm running out of time. No. I actually didn't think this was going to happen. I thought I was going to be able to win easily. Okay, let's go queen here. Let's come down here. Let's just force a trade. I don't know. Let's take that. Let's get a queen. I'm running out of time. Where's the win here? There's no win? Did I blunder something? I must have blundered something. Let's go here. Okay. 13 seconds? I'm losing. I'm actually losing. I really didn't think this was... I blundered my rook. Wow. Okay. Okay. World Cup bots. This is proving more difficult than I had originally thought. Game over. Game over. I'm losing this position. And this one I'm about to run out of time. If I don't get checkmate, like right now. And I don't see mate. I don't see mate. Wow, okay. So we gotta try it again. We gotta try it again and we gotta play faster. That's the only thing. I lost on all 4 games on time. Oh, and this... Yeah, this one I was losing too. Okay. Rematch Morocco. Rematch France. Rematch Argentina. Rematch Croatia. And I'm black this game. Alright. Let's go d5. e5. e5. Knight c6. Knight c6. c6. Knight c6. Knight f6. Knight f6. Knight f6. Knight f6. I don't know if this is good, but I'm going to do it anyway. I don't think it's the right time, but I think we can get away with it. a5. Let's play d6. d5. We get the fork. Let's attack that. Let's take this. Let's go bishop g4. Let's take that. Let's take that. Let's play d5. Let's bring the knight in. We'll try f5, see what happens. Take the queen. I can't take the queen. Let's play this one. This one. Okay. Oh, I messed this up big time. Ooh, that's bad. All right, well, we're going to try to hold on. We're going to play bishop b7 and try to hold on. We're winning in all the other games, I think, so. Let's go bishop c5. Let's go here. All right, let's just get the king safe. Oh, then my bishop's hanging. Wow. Wow. Okay. What a mess. Oh, man. All right. These World Cup teams, you can't take them. You can't go easy on them. They're not messing around. They're not messing around. Let's play b5 now. Walking castle. We'll go bishop e7. Castle. My bishop's defended. I don't know. We'll just play c5. Let's bring my rook over. Let's get rid of the knight and take this. Let's try to pin that. Let's go d4, take that. Okay, he moves the queen. He's threatening here, so let's defend that. Take here. Can I just... Oh, there's the check. Oh, there's knight. Oh, there's knight f7. What am I doing? What am I doing? All right. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going. e4. He didn't see it. I think knight f7 and I was in trouble. g6 doesn't work. Wow, what a mess. I gotta go back to g8, don't I? Okay. Let's trade this. Go bishop e7 and castle. I think those are safe pre-moves. Let's bring the queen in. We'll take this guy. Okay. Now we can go here. We can go here. Don't want to trade. This is the game that I'm losing. I don't really want to trade. I'll just do it. It's okay. Take this. Let's take this. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's castle. Gotta be careful here. Okay. Let's bring the queen in. He's giving me the piece back. That's a good sign. Let's go over q1. Maybe now we can play g6. Dun 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 dun. Let's try this one. I don't know if that's good, but we'll try it. I want to just like move my rook somewhere. Okay, he's attacking the queen. Let's go here. Let's bring the other rook over. Let's take this guy. Let's take this guy. Let's move my queen before I blunder it. Let's bring the rook in. Did I lose a piece? Oh, I traded. Okay. Like I lost my knight. No, it's fine. All right. There should be something here. Bring the knight in. We'll bring this here. That's a queen. That's a piece. Okay. Let's trade that. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Grab the board and resize it. Sorry. Let's go here. Let's see. Where's the checkmate? We should be able to get checkmate in this one pretty quickly. Ooh. Is that checkmate? Oh, it's not checkmate. You can go to h1. Well, it's close. It's really close, though. Let's go check. That's a fork. This game is about to be over. This game is almost over as well. Yeah, I thought that was checkmate. It's not. Okay, I can go to f2 and it should be mate. This one we can take here. This one is over. Morocco, good game. 46 seconds. Let's trade this. We're up a queen. We should be able to win pretty easily here. There's checkmate against Argentina. Let's go here. There's got to be mate. Okay, it's just France left and we have 30 seconds. Now it's pretty easy because I don't have to keep flipping between the games. Okay. That was more difficult than I thought. I really thought it was going to be super easy when they were blundering everything, but the time pressure got to me. It did get to me. Let's take this one. Let's take this one and go here, I guess. Take this. Where's the mate? Why am I having a hard time? I'm sure there was a faster mate, but I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, so there we go. Argentina, Croatia, Morocco, and France. harder than I thought. I think these bots are still around for a little bit until the World Cup ends. So if you guys want to play against them, go check it out on the underneath the computer section on the chess.com website. And see you guys next time. Stay sharp, play smart, take care.